In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Genshin Impact with controller on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about controller compatibility for Genshin Impact on a smartphone running Android. So, as you might have heard previously, Android had no support for controllers. This has been ongoing for years. Controllers were exclusive to iOS devices, but finally, with update 5.5, now Genshin Impact on Android has full official controller support, so you don't need to download any additional applications. You simply have to connect your controller, set it up, and open the game. You can connect it using a cable, or the main way in which people will connect them, I presume, will be through Bluetooth. So I'm going to showcase how to set up the connection and use it. So in order to establish this connection, if you want to do it over Bluetooth, go into the settings of your Android device, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, now just set your controllers into pairing mode. For PlayStation controllers, this can be done by pressing the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds until you see the LED blinking. And for Xbox controllers, it's most likely the connect button. This is going to differ for every single type of controller, so I cannot cover all of them in this video, but if you are unsure, check the manual for your particular model. I, for example, have a GameSir controller that I connect over Bluetooth, so I have to do a specific combination of buttons in there. Once the controller appears under the list of available devices, you can select it from here. And of course, if you are connecting it through a cable, you just plug it into the charging port available on your smartphone. And now if you go inside of the game, as long as you have the latest version, go into the settings, controls, finally controller will be available. So you can switch from touchscreen to controller. Immediately upon doing this, a new setting will appear, controller setup, and you can clearly see here that you can change every single individual action to whatever you prefer. So once you have the layout complete, you can go back inside of the game and play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Genshin Impact with controller on Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.